guys.
Hi!
In today's vlog episode, I'm gonna show you that we actually hiked all the way from deep down there to reach the DNA tower, which you can't see in this shot, but I will show you when I'm nearer. See you in a bit!
Wait, let's go guys, go, go, go!
So we're here, and guess what?
Damn stairs.
This stairs testing my patience today, but it's fine. I'm gonna bring you along on this. So let's go! No, I'm not running.
I'm gonna slip and fall, guys.
I'm not running. I'm gonna take my own sweet time and vlog my way up. So if I die, everybody knows it's her fault. Let's do this. Let's see where we're at. Look at this enthusiastic person.
This is a cheat.
This is the...
Oh, I also can enter.
I'm too scared.
Hey.
Yeah!
We're almost there. I'm not even sure if we're almost there because I'm so scared.
Scared of height. Go guys.
As you can see, I'm still coughing. So
Nobody cares.
I'm so scared. Alright, we made it. And somebody said we can see the entire of Perth.
True.
But
Yeah.
I can't see no shit.